The Commission wants to appreciate all Kenyans who turned out to vote in numbers and have maintained calm and peace. We urge them to continue to do so as they wait for the Commission to announce the results of the presidential election. The presidential elections derive from Form 34A, which is generated from the polling stations, and these results from polling stations are final. And we have 40,883 polling stations throughout the country. These forms are also collected and tallied by the constituency returning officers, who then generate Form 34B, which now forms the basis of the chairman and commissioners to come up with the final result of the presidential elections. Now, the Commission has put in place, since we came in office, a system which we call KIMS, the Kenya Integrated Election Management System, which encompasses candidate management, verification of voters, and results transmission. Now, aspersions have been cast on the issue of results transmission, whereas we know that the comments from Kenyans that the election went on smoothly yesterday, certain aspersions have been cast on aspects of results transmission by some stakeholders in the process. I just want to say that the results which you have been seeing displayed on the screen are not the official results. The official results are derived from Form 34A, which will come from the 40,883 polling stations, and Form 34B, which will come from the 290 constituencies. So those forms are what forms the results. Those are the official results. As a commission, we have set up a framework for looking at the forms before we do the final announcement, and that will be done here in the Bomas of Kenya in this auditorium. The Commission has called for the original forms, Form 34As and Form 34Bs from all over the country, which we shall look at in comparison with all the other results and documents received. The Commission has 7 days to announce presidential results. But in the process of looking at all these documents, we promise Kenyans that as soon as we are ready, we shall announce the presidential results. Lastly, and this to all the candidates and the chief agents who may be here, the Commission has set up a desk where they can access the Form 34As from right now going forward. So please come, access those forms, compare with the data which you have, which your agents have from the respective polling stations, so that we can move on with this exercise. Thank you very much. If there are any questions, I think you can pose them.
Thank you very much, Chair, for the update. My name is O'Brien, and I work with the national broadcaster KBC. 2 questions. The opposition, or part of the opposition, NASA, they're saying that this election has been a fraud. I want to hear from you, what is your response in regards to this? Question number 2, they're saying that they're going to announce their own results, which they have been tallying with their agent at the polling station level. What is your response in regards to this? And by when do you expect, legally we know that you are supposed to announce the winner of the presidential election, in 7 days, but do we really have to wait for 7 days, honestly?
Yeah, thank you for your questions. Yesterday, Kenyans turned out in large numbers to exercise their democratic right. And we saw long queues all over the country. The commission got feedback that the election, the process of voting was free and fair. Now, what NASA says, and they have cast aspersions on one item of the electoral process, and that's the results transmission, which results are the ones which are being displayed on the screen. And I'm happy you are saying NASA also wants to tally the result. That's fine. But what we are saying is, from what I understood, the only issue is on the results transmission, not on the whole electoral process. And that's why the commission is going a little bit, a mile longer, that instead of us just relying on the transmitted results, we're also calling for the original documents for purposes of knowing and verifying before we do the final announcement. It's only 1 day. We are now on the 2nd day. We have 5 more days. It's doable. It's going to be done. And we shall give Kenyans what they deserve. We shall announce to Kenyans the results of a presidential election. Thank you.
Robert Nagila, CGTN. The NASA flag bearer, Raila Odinga, also claims that your system was hacked. Your response to that?
I just also, I'm sure I watched the press statement from the NASA presidential candidate. The system, whether it's hacked or not, those are aspersions which have been cast, those are allegations. As a commission, we shall have our own investigative system to kick in. We shall come up with a methodology as to finding out whether or not those claims are correct. And several other claims were made as well. So we shall go into that and find out whether or not those claims are true. But we have faith in the system. It's the same system we used for verification. It's the same system we used for candidate management. It's the same system we are using now for the rest of the processes. So yes, if there are claims, we shall look into them. But as for now, I cannot say whether or not the system has been hacked.
Nicholas Lele from CAST TV. You've said you've called for Form 34B or F. My question is are you saying you are calling for the hard copies, or you are still waiting for the scanned copies as you had said before?
The scanned copies of Form 34S are here, most of them. And that's why we are saying we have set up a desk for the chief agents of the candidates to now start perusing the same. The scanned copies of Form 34Bs will also be sent direct to this center by the returning officers. But in addition to that, we have also called for the originals of those documents, both the Form 34As and 34Bs, so that we can move on with the exercise.
Question, Sam Gituku from Citizen TV. And first, if you could confirm or clarify how many forms you've received of the 34Bs, how many you've received from across the country electronically. And number 2, when you're saying that you'll be receiving 34A and Bs, the physical forms, what is the deadline that you're giving? Finally, do you have an indication of the voter turnout as of the records you have so far?
Yeah, I think those are operational questions. I think you'll come in and answer some of them. But for purposes of what we have received, I think I would like the CEO who is leading the technical team to give the statistics of that. Thank you.
My name is James
from-
Ratemo from the Media Council. Are you going to display the forms 34 for the public to overview?
Yes, thank you. Form 34 is available now to 34A, as I said, is available to the agents of the candidates. It's also been downloaded onto the public portal, and it can be viewed by the public.
My name is Lukawich from the Star. You said you are the result being displayed is not final. Is it right to say like Kenyans should ignore whatever is being displayed by the commission? And then secondly, the Form 34As that are in your possession in comparison with whatever is being displayed, have you people realized any differences in terms of figures?
I didn't get your first question.
My first question was, you said that the results being displayed are not final. Is it right to tell Kenyans to ignore whatever being displayed and wait for the result that will be collected from 34A and B?
Okay, the results, the official results, and the law demands that the results are the results in the Form 34A and 34B. Those are the results which the law demands. And so we just want to comply with the law. And that's what I'm saying.
Chairman Olive Barrows from Capital FM. You're issuing conflicting statements. Do you have confidence in the systems, or are you saying there's a possibility that they were hacked?
I think I've said that, and I'll say it again. We set up a system which has carried us through, and as up to yesterday when Kenyans went to vote, it worked for them. It worked for us, for IBC. The system is set up to do results transmission, but we have had concerns raised, and we can't, as a commission, ignore those concerns because it involves Kenyan voters as well. So basically what we are saying is we want to look at the original forms, verify, and I think at the end of the day, we shall all do an audit, and those questions will be answered.
Bwana Mwenyekiti, ndugu Wafula Chebukati. Jina langu ni Mathias Mumanyi kutoka KBC Radio Taifa. Kwa manufaa ya Mkenya ambaye yupo mashinani anangependa kukusikiliza kwa Kiswahili, ungependa kueleza waziwazi, je, lile wasilisho kwamba matokeo yatawasilishwa katika kaunti baada ya kuripotiwa rasmi ama kutangazwa rasmi na returning officer, kisha yaje kwenye screen ama ukipenda kiwambo, je, ingewezekana hayo yote yakawa yamepokelewa badala ya sisi kupata in collective form, yani katika jumla kwenye kiwambo? Ingekuwa bora zaidi waeleze wa Kenya, hususan katika lugha ya taifa.
Yeah, asante. Tunasema matokeo ambayo yalitangazwa kwa polling stations, hiyo matokeo ni ya sawa. Ila matokeo ambayo itatangazwa na returning officer kwa constituency tallying center, hiyo pia ni sawa. Na dume itapokea hiyo matokeo, alafu tutafanya hesabu hapa, tuambie wa Kenya nani ni mshindi wa presidential elections. Kitu nataka kuambia wa Kenya huko nje ni wakae watulivu, tutashughulikia mambo ya kuhesabu kura na tutatangaza mshindi kulingana na vile sheria inasema. Thank you very much.